Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold on Pepperstone. Right now I'm using a demo account, but it works exactly the same for a live account. So right now what we're gonna do is select right here on commoditize, and then from here we go a little bit down where we will find XAU USD. So we click now on that, and now we will find right here the gold chart. And we want to buy this, so we click here on the green button, and now this new order appear right here. Then what we can decide is the order type, so fill in the market limit or stop order. Then after that we go to lots, and then we fill in right here that you want to buy one lot, that is fine. And then right now we can also create protection orders, and that means that we can set a stop loss where he will stop our losses, or a take profit, but we don't want to do that, we just want to buy it. And then we click now on send order, and right now he is saying that it got enabled because the market is closed right now. But once the market is open, you can create your order on the way that we did. And this is the way how you can buy gold on Pepperstone. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.